Shalom Alaikum. Say this your brother Masha the Menace. Welcome to Empowering Preeminence Multimedia Productions. I want to give our praise to the Most High, Yahweh, the Father of Yahweh Shai, pre and post incarnate into human flesh, and the Father of Abraham, the Father of Isaac, and the Father of Jacob. What I'm gonna do like a short video, man, like a quick rant, because the divorce between Offset and CardiB seems to be very, very trending, and we all know that at the end of the day, it's a big distraction for something that's much more pertinent and consequential, right? But like I said, I just want to do like a short rant video about CardiB and her situation. Well, people gotta understand, man. CardiB, I think back in 2017, said that she's trying to limit her body count. She's trying to lower her body count. Now, the problem with that statement is, for one, you more than likely she's lying. You understand? Because women lie about their body count all the time, just like you got women who will lie about being virgins. And the reason why you got women who will lie about being virgins, because they want to be looked upon as something more than just a sex object, in which, unfortunately, for most of them, that's all it is anyway. You see what I'm saying? Because they look at the nucleus of the existence, man, is the vagina. You understand? They can deny it all they want to, but they know that's a fact. That's why they put up all the makeup and all that stuff on their face. And Eddie Griffin alluded to that in the movie Foolish with Master P. You dig? But and that's why CardiB looked the way she looked. You understand? The reason why CardiB looked the way she looked, you heard me, is because she want the male audience to focus on the nucleus of her whole physical composition, the whole physical structure. You dig? And that is the vagina. That is the vag, as they say. You dig? So when she said that she's trying to constrain and have a very, very low body count, when it comes to women, man, because let's keep it real, without a woman being associated with a true alpha lord, women have no fucking brains to begin with. You see what I'm saying? They really don't, because it seems like it is a fact, the truth, that the nucleus of the majority, if not all the women's decision, is predicated and contingent upon the emotion. You see what I'm saying? I posted a video on my BBS. Y'all go check it out. It's called Never Value a Black Woman's Opinion. Her poisonous tongue will lead you into the portals of ruins. You dig? And that's the truth. Because, once again, the nucleus, meaning the core, the central component, the central compartment of the woman's, decision is predicated and contingent upon her emotions, while with men is more contingent upon the application of logistics, the congruence of reasoning, the consonance of rationality, the conformity of dialectics, which all deals with using your freaking mind, using your common sense. Because that's why I said in the book of Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, chapter 7, verse 12, where it says, "For wisdom is your defense, and money is your defense." Money is the defense too, but wisdom is the nucleus of your defenses. You dig? So keep your defenses up. You heard me? Going back to CardiB's body count thing, it's subjective, because you probably got women who actually think that 50 body count is minimal. And in some respects, it is minimal compared to women who have 75, 100, 150 body count. You dig? Some people say that 10 body count is minimal. Some people say 5 body count is minimal. You dig? But when you read St. John chapter 4, verses 16 to 18, you will see that 5 body counts is 5 too many. You see what I'm saying? So what are we basing that upon when we say that 5 body counts is minimal? You understand? 5 body counts is moderate. Because I remember I was watching This chick, man, you know, she had a little haircut, you know, the more common word for that in the hood is bald head. See what I'm saying? She was on MTR's page. This cat who calls himself Mediocre Tutorials and Reviews. They both were doing a reaction of Black Ram's, shout out to him by the way, Black Ram 313's video about the Dot retirement plan, Tatiana. I call him Latasha. You see what I'm saying? And she was saying she took issue with Black Ram saying that a woman that has full body counts per year is a thought, and she was saying that, well, a woman with a body count of 4 per year, that's a Christian. And she proved this point because we all know that a bunch of Christians are a bunch of hoes anyway. You see what I'm saying? So we don't know the exact body count of Cardi B, you dig? But the reason why I'm making it an issue, because, you know, your average woman, they will lie about their body count, you dig? They will say that, well, I just interacted with 15 dudes. But like what Chief Eddie Compass, the former New Orleans chief of police, said, that if New Orleans were just limited to 1 murder per year, 1 murder is still 1 too many. See what I'm saying? So even if she did have 15, which is moderate, it'll still be 15 too many. You dig? So yeah, man, that's all I want to say about that, bro. Like I said, I ain't want to make a long video. I just want to make a short, quick rant. You dig? And you know, Offset's not missing anything by not being with Cardi B no more. Because I seen Cardi B without makeup, bro, and she looks like Irma, man, from what's her name? Cousin Emma from Sanford and Son. You dig? That's what she looked like. She looked like Cousin Emma, Grady's cousin, from Sanford and Son. You dig? If you remember, she also played the mother of Cliff Huxtable on the Cosby Show. That's what she looked like. You dig? So that's all I want to say about that. You heard me? Y'all be sure to hit that like button. Y'all be sure to hit that share button. Y'all be sure to hit that subscribe button. Once again, hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that subscribe button. You understand? And till next time, you heard me. This is your Masha Menace. And remember, be a transcendental alpha, not a detrimental beta. All right? For that, shalom. Peace.